Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know, my name is Maggie Hardy. Hi, how are y'all doing today? I'm going to be doing the February Boxycharm unboxing for 2019. I'm going to apologize now for the way that I look. My skin is absolutely just going through the works and I'm trying to get it cleaned up and better. Also, I'm fixing to go work out and I did not want to put on a full face of makeup to just go sweat it off. Let's just get into this video. This is the heaviest box I've probably ever received. So let's open it up. Let's see what we got. So this month is Afterglow. I got variation number 3. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. Y'all know that I just love to do a quick unboxing. The first thing that I see is the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. This used to be my favorite mascara when I first started doing makeup, and then, you know, it gets old. Go repurchase it when you're getting all these mascaras and Boxycharm and these other boxes and stuff, and you can go to the store and get mascara for $6. I never repurchased it, so I'm kind of excited to try this out again and see if it's something that I still love. Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara retails for $24. Alright, the next thing that I have here is a Pretty Vulgar. This is a Shimmering Swan highlighter, 126 Glow Up. I know y'all aren't going to be able to pick this up on camera, but it looks like a golden pink shift duochrome. Let's swatch it. Let's see what we got here. This retails for $32, and this is what it looks like. It's actually really pretty. Kind of feels like the Wet n Wild. I've never gotten a Pretty Vulgar item before. Packaging is very pretty, but it's very cheap. So for this to retail for $32, I don't know much about Pretty Vulgar, but that seems a little pricey. So coming up next, we have the In Touch Soul No Problem. No Problem. That's cute. I like primers like this. I think I've seen people talk about this before. This retails for $18. Kind of smells like roses, and it feels a little greasy. Maybe it'll dry down, but it looks like it's covering my lines on my hands pretty good. I know y'all can't see it. Smooth and pore covering, top secret for perfect makeup. We'll have to see. No Problem primer, $18. So the next thing I see here is a Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. I actually tried this in the shower before I got on camera. It really made my face feel very, very clean, but it also dried me out just a little bit. So I think one of the problems, other than stress with my skin right now, is that I ran out of my cleanser that I usually use, so I went and got that CeraVe cleanser, and it has just not worked for me. So if y'all have any facial cleansers that are not going to dry my skin out and make me break out, would be helpful. Maybe this will work. This retails for $22, and I can say what I liked about this was it soaked and foamed up pretty well. The smell of it is not my favorite. It kind of smells like a citrus honey, if that makes sense. I love the smell of honey and I love the smell of citrus, but when you kind of put them together, I don't know, the smell of it's kind of awkward. But once you put it on your face, it really don't smell that bad. Next we have the Trustique. This is the Prime Plus Glaze Lip Crayon. On one side, it has a primer. It says primer inside. So you pull this, and it has a primer. It really just feels like wax. I don't know what lip primers are supposed to do. It's a 2-in-1 lip duo. Features a luxurious lip smoothing primer on one side and a shiny color glaze on the other. The priming side smooths lips and glides on like balm, creating a super smooth canvas. I got the color English Rose, but it has a magnet on it, and it just goes like right back in to place, which is pretty cool. So there's the swatch. That's on top of the primer. I don't know. I thought I was gonna be pretty excited about the color, but that is not really working out for me. Let's try it without the primer, and still the same. That kind of sucks. Alright, so that is everything in the box. Boxycharm gave us 5 items this month. Everything retails for $121. I actually don't know how I feel about the box. I'm really not too excited about anything in the box. So the lipstick is a big disappointment to me, especially for $25. This retails for $25. So for this to be $25 and it look like this on just your skin, imagine what it's gonna look like on your lips. So y'all let me know down below, what do y'all think about the box? Do you like the box? Do you not like the box? It's not my favorite box. I'm a little disappointed. Again, I might find a hidden jewel, so y'all let me know down below. Also, you guys, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also follow me on all my social medias. Everything's linked down below in the description box. You can also push the bell notifications for YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram. That would be great, and y'all can see every time that I upload. Other than that, you guys, I do not know if I will have a video up for Thursday, for the simple fact of it is Valentine's Day and I have my daughter's party to go to, so it's in the air. Other than that, you guys, I apologize for my appearance again, and y'all have a very wonderful day. Bye, y'all.